One of the big traps for ERP implementation budgets is the training and the approach of let's train the trainer. Because it sounds like a great idea. You'll reduce costs by only having some specific trainers at your company trained by hourly consultants. And then those trainers turn around and train your staff. The reality of it is that never works because as you're moving down the project plan and time is passing, the folks that have been identified as the trainers are typically critical individuals that are busy with their day jobs and the rest of the ERP project that they've been entrusted with. They're not going to have the time or the effort to actually do that training. So at that point, it's a huge changeover, typically where now consultants are coming in at high hourly rates to train individuals. So projects all the time get blown up with change orders when the idea is upfront, oh, we're going to save costs by using the train the trainer approach. Do not depend on that to save you time and money.